Hey everyone, it's Ryan with 9-month college grad. And if you don't know anything about this channel, it's the channel where I teach people how to get college degrees way faster, like entire bachelor's degrees in as little as 6 to 12 months and for a lot less money. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, what if degree hacking, or the process of graduating way faster, what if it doesn't work for my degree of choice? Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, so what if degree hacking doesn't work for your specific degree of choice? Now, I want to use 2 degrees as an example here, okay? Because I've had a lot of people ask me about these 2 particular degrees. Number 1, an engineering degree, and number 2, psychology-based degrees. Now, I don't personally know of, I've researched lots of different colleges, lots and lots of different colleges, and I haven't found specific programs for engineering or for psychology that allow you to test out of your classes. What that means is for those specific degrees, you're going to have to sit in a classroom to earn those degrees. Maybe there are online programs, but it's going to be that traditional approach. Okay. So what do? You want to graduate faster. Degree hacking sounds amazing, but it doesn't work for your specific degree. Now, here's what I tell people. Degree hacking does work for a lot of different degrees. If it doesn't work for engineering, or if it doesn't work for what you're going into, let's say you want to be a dentist even, okay? Here is my solution for you, okay? It is, instead of going to school to get a 4-year engineering degree or a 4-year psychology degree, it's a really cool solution. I think you're going to like this, okay? It's to get a different type of degree, like a more traditional degree for your undergrad degree, okay? A business degree or a teaching degree or whatever it is, okay? Business degrees are really easy. Get just a core traditional degree for your bachelor's degree and use degree hacking, okay? What that means is that you can literally earn that degree in as little as 6 to 12 months if you follow the degree hacking process. Okay, so in and you might be saying, Ryan, no. I want a psychology degree, or I want an engineering degree, or I want to be a dentist. I understand. Hear me out, okay? You're going to get an undergrad degree in a more common, traditional, non-specific type subject, okay? If you can do that in less than a year, you're talking 1 year and you have a 4-year degree. What you do with that then is you transfer, or you apply for a master's program in your chosen field at whatever school you want. Okay? So if you want a degree in psychology, let's say you want to be a therapist or something like that, you go apply to the master's program that you want, and that master's program should take, if you're following the path of a normal student, should take 2 additional years, okay? Or an engineering program. Take your degree that you used degree hacking for, and you earn that a lot faster. Take that degree and apply that degree to get you into an engineering master's program, okay? And that master's program should take you about 2 years, right? Now, if you're thinking like, well, yeah, but I can't use degree hacking for those 2 years. Yeah, you're probably right if you're getting a specific degree like that, like if you want to be a lawyer or a dentist or something like that. But those first 4 years, if you're able to do that in a year, those second 2 years, if they take you 2 years, okay, instead of getting a 4-year degree in your chosen subject, you got basically a 6-year degree in a total of 3 years. Does that make sense? So your undergrad takes you a year, hopefully, right? If you work really hard and apply all these things, okay? Your undergrad takes you a year. Your master's take you an additional 2 years. Okay. So instead of going to get your bachelor's degree in your chosen subject, you're saving an entire year and you're walking away with a 6-year degree, a master's degree. Okay. So let's say you want to become a lawyer and it's going to take you 8 years of school. Well, use degree hacking for your undergrad and then apply for a law school, okay? And there are lots of law schools that accept competency-based undergrad degrees, okay? That saves you like 3 years. Even if you're going to get an 8-year degree to be a lawyer, you're talking, you do it in 5 instead of 8, if that makes sense. So that's the solution, okay? If degree hacking doesn't work for your very specialized degree, go get your undergrad using degree hacking, then go apply for a master's program in your chosen subject or in your chosen field. That saves you a total of 1 year, but instead of walking away with a bachelor's degree, you're walking away with a master's degree. So literally less time, and you're entering the work field making more money because you have a better degree. I hope that makes sense. I've seen people do this, and it's a really, really cool and unique solution that opens the same doors and gets you the exact same degree or even better degree and gets you into the same field that you're wanting to get into. So if you're wanting to get that degree, but you're wanting to do it faster, and you're interested in degree hacking for your undergrad, degree hacking does work for master's degrees too, okay? Just maybe not those specific fields, okay? Maybe not to get you into law school, but you can get an MBA with degree hacking. If you're interested in degree hacking, go to diplomasecrets.com. Diplomasecrets.com. I've got a free training that walks you through how to hack college and earn a degree in as little as 6 to 12 months. The training's free and there's nothing for sale at the end of the training. So just go to diplomasecrets.com and you can watch that training absolutely free. I hope this video has helped, and I'll talk to you in the next video.